Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Seeking Reward Foundation is a charity which only works on projects that are qualifying as Sadaqah Jariyah. The projects which will earn you, our brothers and sisters, an ongoing issue as it relates to getting good deeds, although you may not even be in the world anymore. May Allah give everyone longevity and prosperity. What makes Seeking Reward Foundation different is the extra effort we make to ensure that your donations are spent on those causes which will give you maximum reward. Since 2013, we have distributed well over 6,000 Qur'ans, almost 18,000 Islamic books, and well over 4,000 Islamic CDs to thousands of people across the globe. We have also sponsored 100 hours of Quranic classes for students to learn and memorize the Quran. We have supported 17 masajid to install audio systems used for daily prayers, lectures, khutbahs, and benefiting thousands of people until this very day as I speak. We have also built 21 wells providing clean water to tens of thousands of needy people in 14 different countries around the globe. Brothers and sisters, did you donate and get a share of all of those ongoing deeds, or did you miss out? And will you continue to allow yourself to miss out? This year, inshallah azawajal, we plan on doing a whole lot more. So please click the link now and don't miss out any longer. Imagine earning good deeds while you are in your grave. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded in the Quran, فَاسْتَبِقُوا الْخَيْرَاتِ. So rush towards that which is good. So brothers and sisters, don't delay. Click the link now and donate any amount that you wish to donate in order to invest in your akhirah.